I'm very tired. I'm very angry. But I'm very short. You are very weak. Very? Stop it. Stop saying very. अपनी vocabulary को थोड़ा और expressive और polish करने के लिए आपको जरूरत है very को हटाने की. Just remove it. और इसे replace किससे करना है? I will tell you. Don't worry. But before telling you, I'm asking you only one thing. Subscribe to the channel, man. Subscribe to the channel. नहीं तो आप कैसे देखोगे इतने fun videos? Okay. Now let's start.
चलो भाई.
अब देखो ऐसे ही तो बनती है आपकी vocabulary better शशि थरूर जैसी. Anyway, तो very जितना ज़्यादा यूज़ करोगे उतनी ज़्यादा आपकी vocabulary very weak लगेगी. No, not very weak. Feeble. Instead of saying very angry, say furious. Furious. Instead of saying very beautiful, say gorgeous. Gorgeous. Instead of saying very big, say massive. Massive. Instead of saying very small, say tiny. Tiny. Instead of saying, you are very smart, say, you're brilliant. Use the word brilliant. Isn't it brilliant? Right? Instead of saying, I'm very happy, say, I'm ecstatic. Ecstatic. Instead of saying very happy, say ecstatic. Very sad. आप very use कर रहे हो, that's why it's very sad. Use the word miserable. Miserable. I'm feeling very cold, Very cold. It's very cold. No. Say freezing. Freezing. तो आप इसको तो बहुत यूज करने वाले हो. So instead of using very hot, use the word scorching. Scorching heat. Very tired. No. Exhausted. Exhausted. Very fast. No. Rapid. Use the word rapid. Rapid.
Very slow.
No. Instead of using very, use the word sluggish. Sluggish. Very loud. Nope. Use the word deafening. Deafening. The music is deafening. मतलब इतना loud music है कि मैं बहरी हो जाऊंगी. Very quiet. No. Use the word hushed. और मैं इसे इतना धीरे क्यों बोल रही हूँ? Hushed. Use the word hushed instead of using very quiet. Very clean. Very clean नहीं use करके करोगे आप use spotless. Spotless. Very dirty. Use the word filthy. Filthy. Very tall. Towering. Very short. Petite. Very strong. Powerful. Very weak, feeble, very bright, luminous, luminous. इसलिए हम बोल सकते हैं luminous glow. You're looking very bright today. Very dark. You can use the word pitch black. Pitch black. Very easy. Effortless. Very hard. Arduous. Arduous. Very soft. Fluffy. Very expensive, Nope. Costly. Costly. Very cheap. Inexpensive use करो उसकी जगह inexpensive. Instead of using very hungry, use the word starving. Starving. Instead of using very thirsty, you will use क्या use करोगे? Parched. Parched. Very rich का होगा wealthy. Very poor का क्या होगा? बता सकते हो? Don't use very poor. Use destitute. Destitute. Very scary. Terrifying. Terrifying. Very funny. Use the word hilarious. Hilarious. Very boring. Use the word dull. Dull. Very important. Use the word crucial. Crucial. Very lazy की जगह use करो sluggish. और very messy की जगह use करो the word clutter. Clutter. Very neat को बोलो organized. Very worried को बोलो anxious. I'm very worried about. No, I'm anxious. Very surprising. Astonished. Astonished. Very painful. Agony. Use the word agony. Very strong smell के लिए use करो the word pungent. And instead of using very wet, use the word soaked. Very dry के लिए use करो arid. और very ugly के लिए use करो hideous. Very sharp मत use करो. Use करो razor sharp. Razor sharp. Very dull के लिए use करो ब्लैंड. अच्छा ब्लैंड जो है ये आप फीके चीज के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हो. जैसे कि खाने में नमक कम है ना तो आप बोल सकते हो कि खाना ब्लैंड है. इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग द वर्ड वेरी डीप यूज द वर्ड प्रोफाउंड. एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग वेरी शैलो यूज द वर्ड सुपरफिशियल. सो अब बताओ भाई आपको कितने पता थे. सो फिर मिलूंगी आपसे नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में विद अनदर अमेजिंग वीडियो. देख लिया करो 4-5 मिनट में कितना कुछ सीख जाते हो है ना. सो आई होप अपने चैनल को पहले सब्सक्राइब कर दिया होगा. नहीं करा तो कर देना. लाइक जरूर कर देना. एंड प्लीज प्लीज सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक फ्रेंड के साथ शेयर कर देना. दैट्स इट. आई विल सी यू सून. बाय बाय.